Hello boys and girls. Today is April 10th, 3:39 in the afternoon, Dallas, 80 degrees. It's cloudy outside and drizzling a bit right now. Thought I'd take you through this radio here, which is I can't remember. It's a General Electric 3-5246A. Takes 6D batteries. It looks like that. Okay, show you that in a moment. In the meantime, I'll take you through my pictures that I took back on the 1st of April. So here's the back of it. Okay, it takes 6D batteries. Takes one there, 2 in the bottom, and 3 across the top makes 6. The AC cord is attached. Okay, it has a microphone and an earphone, not external speaker. There's a difference there. Okay. It takes 5 screws out the back. Right there, there, here, there, and there. Okay. And I opened it up. And we cracked it open on this side, look in. We flopped it open. Okay. And that's a view of it that side. And here's the tape deck. And here's some more screws we had to take out to get the rest of the unit out. And just different screws for the orientation of the tape deck. Then, I can't remember what I'm pointing to there, but that's the flywheel. And here we had to take out that key and the key next to it to remove the tape deck. So here we are getting the main unit out, or the main. And then we had to solder the speaker wires back on because they were pulled off or something. I don't know. They didn't work right. And then to put it back in, we had to take out the tuner window, which clips in. And here it is back together again. Okay. Now we're okay. So, all right. So now I want to zoom out. Where's the zoom? Here it is. Zoom out and move the camera about. So here is the actual model right there. Okay. Let me show you that the radio is on, but we're using an external speaker, and the external speaker is right behind the cup, that triangular looking thing. Okay, so
all right, thank you, Deb, for the call. We appreciate it. 800-941-SEAN.
there's that, and that's nearly full volume, giving you very little volume because it's an earpiece. Okay, but if I unplug the speaker right here, to get really loud out of the main speaker. Wrong one.
Everything that I was doing, I was in some sort of a trap, whether it be going to the White House Correspondents' Dinner.
So there we go. That's how that works. All right. That's on AM right now. Flip it over to FM. Okay. Tune it some.
Aquí en parte por Gómez Puesta lugar donde se viste nuestra raza.
This has got red on beige, but it doesn't light up. Only this does.
It's going to be hot. He forgives if you forget. Heartworm prevention given on the same day.
Now, if you want to record, you can record. If you have an external mic, you can plug it into the external mic jack on the back, which is one of these that I happen to have. So we can hit both buttons here, make a note of let's change that to 0. Okay. So now we're recording that. We're talking over we're actually recording on the radio, but let's turn that off and just flip it over to here and just hear me talking about what this thing looks like. And it's got a complete antenna. That's what the back looks like. Now right now it's plugged in via the AC because it does not have an AC-DC switch on the unit, nor is it world voltage. Okay, so let me turn the volume back up. Wait, let me put it back on radio. You'll understand when I unplug it down here. that it just died. So to make it work, we're going to put one battery back in, so it will work. And that's the storage for the AC cord right there. So when you do close it up, you can close it up with batteries in and the cord in or not or whatever. And here's a notch for that. It's not the easiest thing to put back in, but there it is. So this has to be just so. Anyway, so we've been recording all this. Stop, turn that off, go back to record. Oh, sorry, no. Rewind it back to the beginning. Should be about there. Hit play. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? See the light? Okay, good. Goodbye. That was a different.
Please schedule. Advantage Multi forgives if you forget. Ask your veterinarian or go to AdvantageMulti.com to learn more. Advantage Multi is available only from a licensed veterinarian. Warning: do not administer this
Fast
product.
forward that a bit. Okay, so. Anyway, so that does that, and then of course, if you want to record without this microphone attached, we can simply hit record here. Make a note of the thing. It's about 14. Hit record play, and then as I speak, it should record, and you can barely see it. If I get really close and talk a little louder, you can see it flickering as I speak. So let me rewind this. What did I say? 14? Okay. It's about 15. If I speak, it should record, and you can barely see it. If I get really close and talk a little louder, you can. Alright, well, you've heard me talk, and you've seen this radio like that, and you've seen the inside of it, and I had this is the microphone, this is the tweeter, and it really does give you a better high fidelity sound. I really can't show you the woofer unless I shine a light in here, and you really can't see the speaker all that well. Let's see here. Best I can do is give you a view like that because it's a waffle board mesh. Anyhow, that's about all I know about this radio. This is what the top looks like. Where's the zoom? Let me zoom into the top of the radio for you. Give you a closer, like that. So that's what that looks like. Let's go this way. This side, there. And of course, you've all seen tape recorder controls, right? This does not have cue or review. It just has the standard, modes. Okay? So it looks like that. Got a complete antenna, which does click into place. Right there. And again, it's got everything to it. It's for sale. That's the bottom. No one ever shows you the bottom, but there's the bottom. Okay? It's the bottom and the back. Here, let me zoom into this in case people don't have a clue. Let's see here. Let's see if I can line this up. I have to move the camera, I guess. Let's see here. There we go. So that. Here, I don't want to bore you to death, but there we go. That's what it is. I'm sure you can see that in the light. Say 3-5246A. Okay? Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. For sale. Good day. Bye.